Cleated incline trough conveyor for product waste by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a series of stainless steel constructed cleated incline slider bed trough style belt conveyors designed to transport product waste to a customer hopper. The 24-inch wide belts feature 2-inch high flights every 8 inches to contain an incline product up to 50 inches. The product releases to the customer's hopper through a series of discharge chutes, one original and one secondary. Attached reducer drip pans simply hook on for easy cleaning or maintenance. Drip pans catch foreign product from contaminating the floor and flow water to a separate drip pan placed at the base that includes a drain coupling. Simple hand valves control the optional CIP, or clean in place, spray system. Also included are washdown duty motor and reducer, high-grade stainless steel bearings with corrosion-resistant inserts, and appropriate guarding built in. Minimizing operator handling of product waste was key for this project. However, cleated incline conveyor designs are used in many industries for a variety of applications. View even more incline and trough conveyors by visiting www.multi-conveyor.com or follow us on Multi-Conveyor's YouTube channel. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.